Hello everyone. My name is Anita Sen, your science teacher from Shri Rama Bharti Public School. Today I will explain few topics from reproduction in animals. So let's start. Today we will start from the determination of the sex of a baby. Now inside the fertilized egg is the information for determining the sex of the baby. And this information is present in thread-like structures. What are these thread-like structures? They are known as chromosomes, and these chromosomes are present in the nucleus. Now, all human beings, they have 23 pairs of chromosomes, and the 23rd pairs of chromosomes are called sex chromosomes. Out of these 23rd pair, means the 22 are autosomes, they are same in male and female, but the 23rd pair of chromosome, which is known as sex chromosome, so they are different in male and female. In male, they are having X, Y, and in female, it is having XX chromosomes. The 23rd pair of chromosomes in female has two X chromosomes, while males have one X and one Y chromosome. Now, when a sperm, like if we talk about the fusion, so if a sperm carrying the sex chromosome X fertilizes the egg, then the chromosome in the zygote will form 44 plus XX, means autosome plus sex chromosome, that is XX. Now, because there are two X chromosomes, so it means the fetus will be a girl. But if a sperm is carrying Y chromosome and it fertilizes the egg, then there will be XY chromosomes, means the fetus will be a baby boy. So that is how the sex is determined in the human being. Now, our next topic is metamorphosis. As you all know, most of the newborn mammals or newborn, if we say the hatched birds, they all are identical to their parents. They are similar in shape and size to their parents. But there are few animals such as frog, mosquito, and butterfly. They have different stages of development between hatching of the eggs and the formation of the individuals, means the transformation from the eggs till an adult stage. So they having different stages of development. So this development, different stages, is known as metamorphosis. Means what is metamorphosis? The process of transformation from an immature form to an adult form in two or more distinct stages is known as metamorphosis. Now first we will go for mosquito. In mosquito, as you can see in the figure, the eggs, then eggs develop into larva, then larva into the comma shaped pupa, and finally the pupa changes into an adult mosquito. So these are the different stages from egg to develop to the adult mosquito. That is also known as the life cycle of a mosquito, and that is the how the metamorphosis takes place in mosquito. Now, if we will go for the frog. Now, there are three main stages in the life cycle of a frog. Egg, then larva, that is known as tadpole, and then adult frog. Now, if we will see, then an adult female frog, it lay eggs in the water. And this group of eggs is called spawn. After fertilization, these eggs, they hatch into tadpoles. Then these tadpoles changes into frog, which is having tail, and finally it changes into an adult frog. Because when it changes into an adult frog, then the gills which are present in the tadpole, they disappear, and an adult frog is having lungs. Then comes the tadpole undergoes some changes to finally become a frog. It grows limbs and the fin disappears. And this process in which a young one undergoes several changes to finally resemble its adult is known as metamorphosis. In butterflies also, they also undergo metamorphosis process. How? An adult butterfly lay eggs. Finally, these eggs change into caterpillar, then caterpillar into pupa, and pupa into an adult butterfly. As in case of silk moth also, if you will go for that, an adult silk moth lays eggs change into caterpillar, then caterpillar it is changed into pupa, and which having the cocoon, it spins the cocoon, and finally the pupal stage is there, and finally an adult silk moth emerges from the cocoon. So this is the life cycle of a butterfly, or we can say how the metamorphosis takes place in butterfly. So we have seen how metamorphosis means how the transformation from egg to an adult takes place in mosquito, then in a frog, and finally in a butterfly. So this is all for today. Time to say goodbye. Have a nice day.